Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company Go Social. They're looking for a social media content creator. It pays up to $25 per hour. Reels, stories, and memes, oh my. Are you a creative who is wired to think social first? We're looking for a content creator who knows the latest social trends and creates content that stands out in the feed. Our clients are primarily in the food and beverage space with a focus on beverage alcohol. The ideal candidate will have 1-3 years of proven experience in photography, videography, and a knowledge of how social platforms work. Responsibilities: creating monthly social content for Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Twitter. Working with our SR, creative manager to design grid mockups for new clients. Keeping a pulse on social creative trends. Pinch hitting on post copywriting and influencer outreach as needed. Our culture, how we think. We believe that the next good idea is just around the corner waiting to be discovered. That's why we stay creative, curious, and forward-thinking. While we consider ourselves experts in our field, we know there's always room to grow. We are committed to being open and willing to learn in order to bring the best solutions to our clients. How we work: we believe in being good human beings. It starts by treating one another with kindness and consideration. We approach work in a collaborative and supportive way. We know that together we really can achieve more. We choose to work smartly so that we can have more balance in our lives. What you can expect as our partner. In the fast-paced world of social media and PR, we are our clients' trusted partners. We're accountable, reliable, and flexible. We hold ourselves to a high standard and believe in delivering excellence every day while still having fun. If this sounds like a good fit, we'd love to hear from you. Job type: contract. Pay up to $25 per hour. Schedule: Monday to Friday. Self-determined schedule. Experience: photography, 1 year required. Filming, 1 year required. Social media marketing, 1 year preferred. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notified viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.